So I'm gonna show you some legit ways to make extra money, whether you live in the US or outside of the US. I'm gonna be going over a number of app-based jobs. I'll also be going over a number of internet-based jobs, and I'll show you those on my computer right here in a second. A lot of ways to make extra money, and I'm assuming when you're looking for a way to make extra money, you need to have a job, something that you can do at various times of the day. This is a side job, just extra money to supplement what you're already doing. So I'll be going over, as I said, app-based jobs and just side hustles you can do to make extra money. And also I'll be going over internet-based jobs. A lot of the app-based jobs are based in the US, and some of them are not international yet, but I'll be talking through all of them, and I'll be giving some internet-based jobs that you can do just using your computer for those of you that may not have access to some of these. So the first opportunity, which I'm sure everyone here has heard about, is you can be an Uber or Lyft driver. Those are great ways that, I don't know, tens of thousands or millions of people, I don't know what it is, make extra money. I don't drive anywhere. I use Lyft everywhere I go. I think Lyft's a better company. It's got more personality and encourages people to sit in the front and do the fist pump, which, I don't know, I just think that's cool. They used to have that big furry pink mustache on the front. That was funny. This is a great way to make extra money, and there are even ways that you can when you sign up, that you can use it, that you can be a driver without your own car. So there's like companies that will rent you cars just so you could drive people around. They'll take like a percentage of whatever you make. Great opportunity. Other great way to make money is if you just want to like babysit kids, if you want to be a nurse or a night nurse or a doula, if you want a babysitter, the best place to go would be care.com. I think they have an app. I know it's a website, but me and my wife are always doing crazy stuff. So we use care.com for all of our nannies and for our night nurse. It's a great place to go. Another site which you can go if you want to get a job is TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit, that's an app, and there's so many tasks on TaskRabbit you can find, but basically you can do like moving or data entry or event coordination, or there's all sorts of stuff that you can get on organization. There's like a million different tasks you can sign up to do on taskrabbit.com. Really great app. I've used it a ton as somebody who gets people, and it's a great app. Other apps are Wag. If you want to walk dogs and if you want to make some extra money walking dogs, Wag's a great app. It's not available in every city, but in some major cities in the US, I know it is available, and you can be a dog walker there. Warning about this though, there are a gazillion people that want to be dog walkers, and it's very hard to get accepted to be a dog walker for Wag, because I guess it's like everybody's favorite job, and hell, who wouldn't want to hang out with dogs all day? I hear only one in every 50 people gets accepted to be a dog walker, but hey, maybe you have a good way to get in. Another one is Soothe. Soothe is a app where you can sign up to be a massage therapist. So people like me will go on this app and say, I need a massage, and massage people will come over to my house and they'll give me a massage. I do believe you have to have your own massage table to do it, and I believe you need to be a certified masseuse to be on Soothe. But again, that's a great opportunity if you just want to make some extra money on your own schedule. Last but not least, there is Handstand. Now, Handstand is if you want to make some extra money as a personal trainer. If you are fit and if you're good at getting people motivated and going on runs. I personally get lonely sometimes, so I'll just get somebody on Handstand to go for a run with me, because I don't know, I like running, and I like to figure out how to be healthier. So Handstand's a great app to be a personal trainer or fitness coach or whatever you want to be. Let's go to my computer, and if you're not in the US, I know some of these things may not be available. Uber is pretty much available, but let's go on my computer and I'll show you some internet-based opportunities of how you can earn extra money. Hey, so the first way to make extra money is I'm starting out with the most recognizable place, which is Amazon.com, okay? Now, if you go on Amazon, you can scroll all the way to the bottom here, and you will see there's a whole section in the footer that says make money with us. Check that out. Okay, make money with us. Look at all the ways you can make money with us. You can sell, you can sell, you can become an affiliate, you can advertise products, self-publish. There's a lot of different ways. Now I'm going to go over and see there's even more ways right here. I'm going to go over the most basic way you can make money with Amazon. I don't even recommend it, but I'm going to explain to you why. So the most basic way is you could actually just do basic tasks on Amazon, such as taking surveys and identifying objects and, you know, naming objects and pictures. Sounds really neat, right? Just do basic work and get paid. You don't have to have any skills to do this, and there's over 1,000 jobs. So this is called Amazon MTurk, and it stands for Amazon Mechanical Turk. And you can sign up for free, and you're assigned a worker ID. It's kind of weird and dystopian, but check this out. So we have a thing right here. Short survey takes 9 minutes. Are you serious? Look at this. Reward, you get paid 10 cents, okay? 10 cents for 9 minutes. That's like a penny a minute, okay? That's ridiculous. So the problem with Amazon Mechanical Turk and like hoping to do like surveys and stuff for extra money is you get paid like nothing. Like you'll get paid like 60 cents an hour if you were to do jobs on here. And even so, look, qualification is you have to be based in the US. What's crazy is they've already had 658 people do this task in the US for essentially 50 cents an hour. That's nuts. But that's how crazy the demand is for people to just do unskilled tasks online. Pretty nuts if you ask me, people working for 50 cents an hour. However, if you just want to make some extra money, you can just log on, accept, and work, and you can make some extra money that way. Aren't going to make much though, better uses of your time. The other way you can make money is you can do what I do. You can sell products on Amazon. That takes time to learn how to do. You can buy products for cheap and sell them. You do need to invest money, you know, to learn how to do this skill. But the good news is you can make millions and millions of dollars. I have a friend in Bangladesh who's making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, which is like really big money over there. He sells products on Amazon in the US, and he never touches them. He just buys them from China, ships them to the US, and makes a lot of money. If you want to learn more how to do that, you can go to my channel and see, here's my channel, John Crestani. These are my friends, Mike and Carlos. And you can go to the section where it says free marketing trainings and mini courses. And here I have a section right here, which is how to start an Amazon FBA business. My friend Tanner J. Fox goes over in this video series how to start. Look at that mug. He goes over how to start an Amazon business. There's 4 videos here, pretty good, and you can learn about the basics of how to do that from there. If you want to learn how to do what I do, which is affiliate marketing, which is selling other people's products and earning a commission. I'm basically a commission-based salesperson online. And here I'll show you an example. For any product on Amazon, I can create an affiliate link, and this is what I do. I basically get people to click on that link. I blog, I vlog, I post the link on emails, and I post a link on ads and stuff like that. And if people buy products from Amazon or other websites, I make a commission. I'll make anywhere from 5% to 75% commission on what people buy. You can go to my channel and you can subscribe. Basically, well, it doesn't show the subscribe button because I guess I'm already subscribed to myself. But when you subscribe, you will get a free affiliate marketing course. It's 10 videos, how to do what I do, which is affiliate marketing, selling products on the internet. So that's about it. I have a lot of other information on my channel. Feel free to learn about different things. If you're just looking to get motivation on how to be an entrepreneur, I have a playlist here. But that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, please do a big like thumbs up, like, and if you want me to talk about a specific topic, or if you have a question on this topic, make sure to leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And also subscribe and hit that notification bell so I can see you in the future. Talk soon.